The first thing I want to say to you, I don't give a fuck about none of you, and none of you give a fuck about me. America, they build us onto a plateau that we think that everything is just fine.
It's a long time to be without crying, constant thoughts in your head rewinding, hoping for a change, reliving the same, adding blocks just to keep you away. Heavy it lays, the pain on your brain, snort up the pill, releasing the strain. Felt so good, watch you do it again. The trouble will end, we only two in. Goggle it down with liquor like gin. Body is sweating and you stare with the grin. The world around you is spinning tap 10. It's strength in your legs, but walk is a test. The hard way is long, but you move so complex. Too drunk to walk straight, you slip as fast breaks. Taking a gulp of your drink, a fifth to some shots. You make it outside to scream about your thoughts. Bent over the pool, a reflection of loss. You take your last breath, sighing off through the mouth. I end it now, might as well drown.
I can't take it, I need a release from the grip that's clenched on what I think and believe. So I'ma pop another pill, begin to drink as they lead me off into darkness, the home of the heartless, through the valley of depression and the land of the departed. Living life at the end, death is just getting started. Now here I stand, foot over the ledge, head in my hands and my cotton web. Will I ever land off the edge I left? I feel the water flood up to my chest. Am I gonna drown or learn how to swim? I've given all I got, so you get what I give. I feel I fell off, so easy to slip into the pool. I'ma take me a dip, sit under the water and think for a bit. Only few survive the fall from the cliff.